Hey guys, we're gonna be live streaming. Markets just closed, so this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be very, very interesting. It seems like, let me check my stock app. Yeah, Tesla's down, AMD's down. Many stocks are down right now. Lots of stocks be down, but the S&P is not down that much. So it's primarily the Nasdaq. Technology stocks have been dropping like mad. Dropping like flies, honestly. Live right now. See, oh, lots of people online, so people should be tuning in a second. See if I can see my live stream. What the frick? Oh, okay, so I'm live. Yeah, okay, cool. Hey, Anton, John, Alex, welcome to the live stream. This is the after hours live stream. The idea behind this is that markets just closed. We're gonna take a look at the stocks, see what they're gonna do tomorrow, see what they're gonna do in the after hours, in the coming days. We're gonna analyze some stocks that you guys want me to analyze, including the stocks that I usually analyze. So hopefully everything is working fine. Just checking some stuff on my phone. I'm gonna be inviting everybody into the live stream. So cool. Alright, so I think I invited enough people now. I'm having such a tough time finding my own live stream. It's just embarrassing. Gara, aka Guru. Well, I'm not a guru. I do try to foresee the future, but like, I'm not a guru. There's this guy, his name is Stock Guru. He's a guru. I'm not a guru. I don't even know what a guru means. Is it like somebody that knows a lot about a particular subject? Yo, Phil. Yo, Micaiah Morrison. What's up? R. Bellin. Welcome. Gary. Hey, man. You always say it's really late where you're at. Where are you from? I am from the Netherlands, Gary. Will you talk about Palantir today? Yeah, I'm going to talk about all the stocks that you want me to analyze. So, as long as you guys have requests, I'll be analyzing your stocks. Hold on. Trying to fit my charger into my phone. Okay, I'm going to have to send some invites because COVID getting out of hand, no stimulus yet. Mm-hmm. If you want to join the Discord, there's a Discord link, obviously. Live right now. I did not do a NEO analysis because I did not think that it was needed necessarily, because I did an analysis in the morning, and I think if I do a video today about NEO, it's going to be the same video that I did before in the morning. Nothing is going to change. But with Tesla, it's different. Tesla is changing all the time. NEO is just slowly going upwards. So that doesn't make a lot of sense. I might take a look at NEO just briefly in this live stream. Okay, so Nvidia. Yo, Glenn. Welcome. Theox. Hey, man. RRPY. Welcome to the live stream. Everybody, welcome to the live stream. Is NEO going down? I think I said it would go up, right? I said it would go rally until earnings. See if it's actually rallying or if it's actually going down. Oh my gosh, it's going down. Wow, NEO's going down? It's like nobody told me it would go down. Yeah, but I think it's going to come back up very quickly, though. I don't think it's going to stay there. I mean, we foresaw that it would go down a bit, but, well, we didn't expect it to go down that much. Wait, we actually hit 38? That must be a glitch. That can't be it. I don't believe that we hit 38 there. No freaking way. Wait, let me check the 5 minutes. Did we hit 38? No way. Wow. We actually hit 38. Cool. That's a nice buying opportunity. Well, depends on who's saying it. The bears will say that's not a buying opportunity, that's overvalued. The bulls would say, nah, buying opportunity. It looks like we're consolidating around this price range for the S&P 500. S&P is not going anywhere. It looks like we're trying to consolidate around this price range, just like that. Stabilizing around this price. We foresaw that it would go up. Hasn't gone up yet, the S&P. Greg says, hey Gareth, thanks for your analysis. No problem, man. I try to do my best to give you guidance. All I'm asking for is a like and a subscribe. So, 1 hours. Oh, that's sweet. That is sweet. Looks like we're going bullish on the 1 hour. 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours looking a little bearish. A little bit bearish, right? Yeah, I don't know. I hope the bearishness will end, and that would be it. But I think this is gonna come back down. So like we drew, we said the 1 hour is bullish. So we will move to the 3,576 until the end of the week. We're gonna have some bullishness on the S&P, but then around Monday we're gonna have some negativity. So we're gonna have some corrections, and then we'll go back up because the daily is looking very positive. Because of the daily looking positive. Wait, what am I saying? The daily is looking negative. Oh, okay. So that makes sense. So the daily is also looking negative. About to go down, goes bearish, and then we go up. Yeah, okay, fair enough. The past me is very smart. He knew what would happen. Thank you, past me. Garrett in the past is smart. I did not see this one. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So RSI goes down, right, and then we gradually shift upwards. Hitting, whoa, that's a really high price. That could happen though. Who knows? We could hit the 3,640 or 50. Where's this wedge even coming from? This wedge is making no sense. Oh wait, I get it. Right. Okay. Cool. Oh, okay. Okay, so that would then hit this level, and then we would bounce until the end of the year. That makes a lot of sense. That's I think I didn't even show you guys this. I think I had a consultation with somebody and I showed him that this would happen. This is secret information, okay? Now, I'm kidding. It's not a secret, but just take it with a grain of salt. This is like, I think what this is going to happen to the stock market, because we also have a clear trend line just like that. This is most likely what's going to happen, in my opinion, until the end of the year. Some hyperbolic bullishness, but yeah. Checking the live chat. 6.05k subs. Yeah, we got a lot of subscribers now. We hit the 6,000. Really happy with that. Yeah, it made my day when it happened, so I'm really happy with that. On top of that, I want to reach 7,000 next. That would be cool. See if we can hit 7,000. It's going to be our next target. Tesla. Oh wait, I don't want to switch yet. I want to look at the weekly and the monthly. Oh boy. Guys, this is dangerous. This is dangerous territory. Oh boy. We're really overextended. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a bloodbath. Yeah, let me just do this, do that. It looks like the MACD is about to bounce and then come back down massively. This is approximately going to be end of December. So this could be a Q1 recession in the stock market. I'm not necessarily sure if it's going to happen. We could also trade it. The MACD could go up just like that. It could go sideways. But what I'm forecasting, because of the bullish cycle that we had, we'll go up a bit until the end of the year, and then we'll come back down all the way. Which would mean the RSI would do something very similar. So RSI would hit the overbought. Very, very difficult time frame to work with. And then we come back down. This moment right here, around March, or February, March, potentially even end of January. Amazing buying opportunities for the S&P 500. Like, it's going to be amazing, I'm telling you. It's the weekly, but the weekly is looking bearish, like about to go down. So, because we never have this long of a bullish run without corrections, right? So this could be a massive correction to the downside. I think this could be, if the Federal Reserve does not step in, this could be this could be very. It's gonna be a tough one to swallow. This one. Okay, not to the 900. I think this one's gonna go all the way down to. I would say 1500. Yeah, this if this is a recession in the stock market, it's gonna go down all the way to 1500. To 1500, in between 15 and 1500 and 200, 2000. I'm talking about the S&P 500 here. So this would be a recession, which I think we have not seen this yet. I think what happened in March wasn't necessarily a financial crash. It was a health crash. It was like the health, like COVID happened and all businesses had to close. Yeah, okay, sure, you're going to drop 30%. This was not necessarily a natural financial crash. This was literally stores had to close. They couldn't make earnings. They couldn't earn. People were fearful, and when we went down, it had not to do much with financials. But the one that is coming is going to be very severe, because the PE ratio of the S&P 500 right now is sitting at around 36 or 37, somewhere around there. And earnings are not going to increase. Earnings are going to stagnate the coming years because of the effect of COVID that it had, right? So people are going to spend less. Inflation is going to be... let me think. Inflation is going to increase, which is good for the stock market short term, but long term it's not good. So I would say that there is a possibility that the market is going to crash in Q1 of 2021. I actually wrote a couple paragraphs on it in 2019. I said that if the markets would crash, it would crash in March of next year. I got notes, and with the date, you cannot change the date. I've got these notes on my phone, my old phone. Date can't be changed. It says last time adjusted is back in 2019. I said in March we could potentially see a crash. However, I said this is not going to be the last crash. I said that it would crash again in the end of 2020. Well, the thing is, what happened is, because of the Federal Reserve stepping in, they postponed the crash. So if there is still a crash coming, they postpone it a couple months, or maybe even a year. Maybe it's going to crash in 2021 around this time. I think it's going to happen again in like January, February, March. Somewhere around there we could start crashing massively after hitting the all-time high. But that's my perspective, right? And that's why I keep saying cash is king. Right now, cash is king. You don't want to be investing in stocks at all-time highs. You want to invest into stocks when they're at all-time lows, not at all-time highs. There are some exceptions. Tesla is an exception because it's growing so rapidly. I would say NIO was an exception because it was undervalued. Now NIO is kind of overvalued. Some stocks are still growing, but most of the stocks right now are stagnating. So that's why you see people like Warren Buffett. I mean, he's not buying stocks. He's buying gold now. Of all the things in the world, Warren Buffett is buying gold, Barrick Gold. It's not literally gold, but it's a company that mines it and harnesses it. So I think what's going to happen is the stock market is about to crash. Warren Buffett is going to put a load of money into the stock market when it does, because I don't know, he's just a clever man. he knows what's going to happen. He's not going to tell us the market is going to crash. Are you kidding? He still has stocks. It's just he's selling more than he's buying, and at some point he's definitely going to profit from this, and we want to profit from this too. So I would say going further in the future, I think having 50% cash wouldn't be a bad idea, because you're having 50% cash at 50% stocks. So if stocks do go up, if we keep going up to 5,000 and 6,000, which I do not think is going to happen, then you're going to gain 50% on the 50%, and if they fall down, you have 50% cash to deploy. So that's the argumentation behind that. I'm going to check the live chat. I want to see what people are saying. The recession will happen after Biden implements the taxes. I think the recession will happen after Biden gets inaugurated, pretty much, because then they're going to start pricing in, oh, it's Biden. Because right now people are thinking that Trump still has a shot at suing a couple states and then taking it to the Supreme Court and still becoming president. People are thinking this. Sorry, my voice is like getting a little, my throat is getting dry from all the talking. I want to look at QQQ, the Nasdaq. So, or at least the Nasdaq tracker. Oh boy. Oh, Nasdaq looking bearish. Last time we were this bearish was back in... Wow, that's really bearish. Holy moly. I think we're about to go up for the Nasdaq. That's crazy. Are you going to go up again? No freaking way. No freaking way. Come on. There's a shot that's... there's a chance we're going to go back up again. No, right? Nah, come on. This is bearish. This is definitely bearish. It doesn't look good. But I think if this correction for the Nasdaq finishes, because we see a gap right there, which could be filled for the Nasdaq, we could potentially go down another, I would say, 2%. Yeah, 2%. 2 to 3% downwards, and that would be it. That would be the bearish momentum. And that's on the 1 day, though. What's the 4 hours? Okay, 4 hours is telling us we're still bearish. We're not done at the bottom. This could go a little bit lower. 3 hours, same story. Still bearish. We're not done yet. Maybe the 1 hour can tell us something. The 1 hour is looking bullish. We're about to go up on the 1 hour. So that could mean that this is the bottom, potentially. We're oversold. We could bounce. Well, actually, we could bounce and then come back. So we could bounce and then we come back. So just like that. And then that would be the bottom. This would be the bottom. So this bounce could be significant. It could take us to 288, which is about 2%. I think 2% to the upside. So we're going to fill this gap to the downside again. And that would take us to approximately 288. But what I want to take a look at is the history. Yeah, we're going to bounce 2%. 2 to 3% bounce. And then after that, we're going to go down 2 to 3%, creating a bottom. Just like that. and then we go up. I think that is what's gonna happen. What was the daily like again? Yeah, right. That makes a lot of sense, actually. Okay. Checking the live chat right now. I think the Nasdaq is gonna be green tomorrow. I can't even check it right now. Is it green right now? Okay, I have to look at the 30 minutes. Never mind. 30 minutes is painting a different picture. I think we're going to go sideways. Based off of the 30 minutes and the 1 hour, I think we're going to go sideways. However, we're going to go sideways to the upside. So just like that. Trying to fill this gap over here. Heading upwards to 288 to 290. Potentially going back down again. And then going up again. So this would be the bottom. So if you buy the Nasdaq right now, I think it's very close to the bottom. Checking out the Nasdaq. Oh, it's closed on this application. I can't find it. Nasdaq. Okay, cool. Nasdaq 100. Yeah, it's closed here as well. You can't view it. There's about how many minutes left? I think you can view it very soon. For the after hours. I can't find anything that's showing it. But I think we could see some positivity, yeah. After this bearish correction. How much was this? This was like, damn, it's like $15 on QQQ, which is it's a lot more than 5%. It's like 6-7% downwards in one day. Wow. That is crazy. Like that is I think we're definitely going to be seeing some more upside for tomorrow, after tomorrow, and Friday. I think more upsides coming for the end of the week for the Nasdaq, because this was a little bit overly done, I would say, because we also didn't go up significantly in comparison to the S&P. If you think about it, because the S&P went up, like, if we take a look, S&P 500 went up like parabolic. Nasdaq didn't do that. Nasdaq went down significantly. So I think the bearish run is over for now for the Nasdaq. It should be safe. This is going to be very bullish for stocks that are in the Nasdaq, like Tesla. I think Zoom is in the Nasdaq, but Zoom is pretty bearish. I think Zoom is going down, right? Let me check that. Whoa, yeah, it's going down. Last time we were live streaming, I said Zoom is over. Game over Zoom. This is from the past. Ugh, oof. Why did I even draw that? This was before the vaccine news came. Yeah, vaccine news came, Zoom plummeting, and that was the end of Zoom, pretty much. To anyone that's shorting it, good job. This was the freest short, the easiest short you can find. It's like, oh, COVID vaccine. Well, everybody's going to go outside, which means lockdowns are not going to be there, which means we don't need Zoom, because we're just going to go. Life is going to be normal again. So no more Zoom. People are going to forget about Zoom. They're going to forget about Zoom as fast as back when MySpace was a thing. You know, how people forgot about MySpace? It's like, oh, Zoom? What is Zoom? Oh, what is Zoom? Pretty much like that. Checking. Okay, please, Palantir. Oh, I made a video about Palantir, so you can check the video out on my channel. Looking bullish. Palantir looking bullish, yeah. Pretty nice. It's a strong buy if you're. It's a very strong buy if you want to hold this long term. It's a buy if you want to hold it short term, because I think it does. It's about to correct, I think, at the after earnings, unless there's some really good news. I think it's going to correct. Fior Ahmed says, what is this? I'm new to this. This is a live stream where I analyze your favorite stocks. So make sure you drop down in the comments which stock you want me to analyze. For anyone who doesn't know who I am, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I analyze my favorite stock stocks and your favorite stocks to make you guys better understand what is happening in the stock market and what is happening with the stocks that we analyze. I try to give you the best guidance. It's not literal advice, like don't necessarily do what I say. Just listen to it, take it for, just listen to it and try to understand what I'm saying, you know what I mean? I'm not a financial advisor. All I'm doing is I'm trying to just give some guidance on what's happening with some stocks and what I think is going to happen. My perspective, basically. I try to give you my opinion based off of the technical analysis. I want to go back to the S&P. And if you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy these live streams, and if you have 2 seconds of time, then you can just hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would be amazing. I would really appreciate that. Looking at the live chat. Xpeng. Yeah, I want to look at Xpeng. I think Xpeng dropped heavily. I think we predicted this one. Just watch. We predicted this one. There we go. I am a god. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. I am just a normal person that's looking at charts. So we drew the line right there, and it looks like it's going exactly like we said. So really nice. Gonna clap for myself. Cool. You know what is a good buy? I think Workhorse is a good buy. I think it already went up, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's already going up. Damn it. Workhorse is looking like a great buy. Let me move this. And then it goes up to the 20.3. Yeah, that makes sense. Looking pretty cheap. Workhorse is looking pretty cheap. About to go up massively. Reason I'm saying this? Look at the daily. Daily is about to explode to the upside. About to explode. You know what an explosion is? Explode. Tesla. People want to see Tesla. But I just made a video. Let me check. Did I make a video? I made a video for Tesla. It's up on the channel. Wait, let me check. So, yeah, it's up on the channel. You can watch the video. But you know what? I'm going to check Tesla very briefly. I'm not going to look at it too long. I already made a video about it. But so this is Tesla, right? And, okay, so watch closely, right? This is very complicated analysis. Very, very complicated. So you see Tesla, right? Where it is right now. Okay, so I grabbed this tool. Okay, so we have to get some... it's a very, very complicated analysis. I'm going to show you. Very important, significant, and I studied hard for this kind of technique. So I grabbed this line. I put a dot right around where we are, which is... it says it's 410. What the frick is happening? Oh, it's a daily chart, so it's looking very weird. Right, so it's right around there. And then I do this. And then I give this nice little line a color. I think it's going to be green. I think this is basically what's going to happen to Tesla. This was really hard, guys. Really, really hard. It's going to go up to like 540 and 50 around there. By the end of this month. Super hard. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go to ride. I like ride. Very difficult analysis. Tesla's gonna go to the moon, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. If you want to get the complicated analysis, you can watch the video. It's on my channel. I worked very hard on it, so yeah, I'm very bullish on ride. You can see it right here. I did this previously. I don't know why I did it that way. Yeah, I usually when you guys give me a stock request, I've already analyzed the stock, and I usually have some lines that I drew from the past. This is me from the past giving me some signals. Okay, so 4 hours. No, that makes no sense. Why did I draw this line? On the 4 hours, we're probably gonna go bearish and then go up. Which maybe I didn't. Even back then, I could have known this. So maybe I drew this very fast. So it looks like we're going to go down and then go up, right? And let's delete this. Yeah, it's gosh darn it, man. These lines are very annoying. Okay, let's be really, really realistic. Ride is most likely going to go up just like that. Something like that, in my opinion. How would this look like on the MACD? Like that. And then we come back down. We're checking the live chat real quick. Apple, Amazon, GME, draw a moon. Yeah, that would be funny, right? It's like I draw the moon. It's like this is the moon, and then this would be a rocket. Okay, that's just weird. I'm not gonna do that. All right, so let's check out Apple. Gosh, what is Apple doing? We had the Apple event today, right? What did I say would happen? Oh, exactly like we said. Oh my gosh. I think we predicted this one, didn't we? Yeah. No, we didn't really. We did say it would have an upwards move from here, which we did. We have an upwards move to 117, and we thought it would go up to 118. Yeah, so maybe if we move this like that, possibly? I don't know. I think Apple is looking a little bearish right now on the 30 minutes. On the 1 hour, it's looking bullish. So that's sweet. That's very sweet. If the 4 hour is bearish, then this is basically the pattern. 4 hours bearish. I drew this pattern in the past, so just so you know. But the daily is bullish. About to come down though, so I don't know. It's gonna break out at some point, either to the upside. I think it's gonna be to the upside, honestly. This is not gonna go to the downside. No way it's gonna go like that. No freaking way. It's Apple. I mean, what are we talking about? It's probably gonna break to the upside, finish this wedge, and all the way to approximately 140, 150. Checking the live chat real quick. Amazon, Nvidia, Sony, SQ. Okay, cool. Amazon. People want Amazon. Yeah, Amazon has been hit hard. They have been hit hard because of COVID. COVID vaccine coming is really bad for Amazon because if people are not sitting at home, people are not going to be ordering stuff. And we predicted this correctly. I said we would bottom, which we did. Now, is this the bottom? Yeah, this is the bottom. This is definitely the bottom. This is definitely the bottom. This is definitely the bottom. Yeah, all I can say right now, because it does look like this is the bottom. So, Amazon, I am extremely bullish on. Super bullish. I'm going to get some Amazon very soon. Like, yeah. I mean, think about it. We're at 3,000. We're 20% lower than the all-time high. 20%. 18%, right? 18%. So, yeah. Amazon looking like a great buy. Looking like a great buy. COVID has been priced in. You know, that the vaccine is out. People are going to be out. They're going to go to stores in real life. Which means that Amazon will have less sales. But you have to consider holiday season is coming up. And COVID right now is still going on. I mean, the vaccine is going to come out next year. So this quarter could still be a very good quarter. And I think despite the COVID vaccine coming out, Amazon could still skyrocket to all-time high. Why not? Could definitely happen. I mean, at the end of the day, they're going to have massive earnings. Earnings are going to be good. Yeah, the vaccine is not out. It's going to be out next year. They're working on it. I already did a Tesla analysis. It was very complicated, the Tesla analysis. If you want me to, I can do the Tesla analysis again. Do you guys want me to do the Tesla analysis, the really complicated one, again, or do you want me to do another stock? Do you want me to do Etsy or Tesla? I'm gonna do Etsy or Tesla right now. So which one do you want me to do? I'm checking the live chat right now. We're seeing Neo, Alibaba, Etsy. Okay, this is okay. I'm gonna do a very complicated analysis. It took me years to figure out how this works. So pay attention, pay great attention. So what I think is gonna happen, I'm gonna draw it out right now. So from here, that's it. I hope you learned a lot from that. We already did this analysis. I mean, somebody asked for it. Also, we have a video that I just released, like literally 30 minutes ago or like an hour ago, about Tesla, where I do the Tesla analysis in great detail. I worked like an hour on that video, so you can check it out. It's on my channel. Yeah, I think we're going to go up significantly. Okay, so that was the really complicated analysis. Now I want to check Etsy, because Etsy has been suffering because of the fact that people are about to go out and vaccine is going to be there. Same story with Amazon. I think Etsy is about to pretty much bottom out and then go up. I don't think this is going to be super negative unless the daily is negative. Nah, this is fine. Etsy's fine. I think you can get some more Etsy for earnings, which is going to be in March. I think we're going to see some upturns coming for Etsy. All right, so checking another stock now. Disney and Airlines. Oh, Disney. Oh, we're gapping. What the freaking hell? What? Earnings. Oh, earnings is today. Or it's not today. What the hell is happening with Disney? When did we gap up? It was not today. It's the daily. Okay, so it was not today. When did we gap? We gapped up before earnings. Yeah, Disney's about to go ballistic to the upside, honestly. What the freaking hell? That's 10%. Okay, it's 10%. It's not that much. It's a lot, but it's not super much like we saw with other stocks. Like the airlines went up like 30%. Yeah, I think we're still up. We're going to be going up for Walt Disney. Unless the 4 hour says otherwise. Nah, never mind. We're not going to go up huge. 4 hours disagrees. We're going to go sideways until earnings. Pretty much. And then we go down if earnings is bad. Or we go up if earnings is significantly good. But I think it's already priced in. This upwards move is earnings priced in. So probably going to go down. Anyway, let's check which stock. Can you... I did the XPeng. XPeng is going down. Pretty much. Slack. Slack is cool. Slack is nice. Slack Technologies. So what did I do here the last time I checked this out? I said we would crash down to like 26. Oh, we did that. Nice. And then I said we would have a very bullish upturn, so we could see this happen. That's Slack. Slack's looking bullish. It's not looking bullish in the 4 hours. Nah, I'm gonna say it's looking bullish. I think Slack is gonna go up before earnings. Yeah, Slack's gonna go up significantly, guys. This is not even big enough. I think it's gonna go up just like that. Slack is probably going to go up to 41. I think even higher than that, potentially. I mean, it's going to go up significantly. I think we're going to go up to like ridiculous amounts for Slack. I'm going to get some Slack very soon for earnings. When is earnings going to be? Yeah, I'm definitely going to get some Slack. They're probably going to be announcing some really nice earnings. Square. Yeah, guys, if you want to get into like I think Slack was fintech, right? Or something. No, it was to increase workers' productivity, something like that. If you like that kind of stuff, Slack is a stock for you. Square is it going up or is that my lines? Oh, it's both. We predicted it, didn't we? Or did we not? Cool. Okay. So we predicted this for Square, and we said we would bounce there, right there. What we also predicted was this move to the upside. You can check the older videos. I said, hey, we're gonna go up massively, and we basically did that. And then we predicted the downturn. I think we're also about to predict the upturn. So this could potentially go up like that. Yeah, because we're oversold and MACD is very low. But let's check the daily for Square. Square, yeah, Square is gonna go up significantly, possibly to $210. Looking pretty nice. Square, Nvidia or Nvidia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Nvidia. Let's just say that. Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia is looking. Ooh, oh, that's not nice. What did I draw back then? Oh, I said it would bounce, and I agree. I agree with my past self. I think we're gonna bounce. Great thing. I already analyzed this. Potentially all the way up to $600 until the end of the month. Anyway, check the live chat, see if there's any unique stock requests. Asana and AMD, RKT. Oh, there's a lot of people watching me right now, guys. So I just want to introduce myself really briefly, so don't click away. My name is Gara. I'm Lucid Trading. I try to analyze your stocks. As you can see, if you want me to analyze any kind of stock, just comment it down below in the live chat and I'll analyze your stock. All I am is asking in return is for a little thumbs up and a subscribe to my channel. You'll get notifications when I go live again. You'll get notifications for your favorite stocks. So make sure you subscribe. It's completely free. So yeah. All right, so that was my little introduction. I hope you guys don't mind that. There are also some links in the description for the social media, the Discord, and the Patreon. You can check that out. Fastly, Peloton, Neo, AMD. Fastly. By the way, I drank like 4 coffees today, so that's why I'm a little bit hyper. I drank 2 coffees in the morning, one at lunch, and one like 4 hours ago or something. So I'm like stoked. Fastly is going up like we said it would. I thought it would go a little slower than that, but it went up. So what's gonna happen next for Fastly? That's the question. Looking at the daily, yeah, Fastly is gonna go up huge. Oh man, Fastly is gonna go up huge. This is gonna be crazy for Fastly. If Fastly is not a scam company, we're probably going to go back up significantly. Like, I'm just going to draw a line to the upside because it's going to look super ridiculous. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Fastly looking pretty great. So AQB, Peloton. Fastly looking great. If you hold it until earnings, there will be a moment where you're like, wow, the price just went up 50%. Something similar to that. Peloton, for some reason, I don't want to say it, but I think it looks nice right now. It's about to go up. I hope it doesn't, because I don't really like Peloton. But I think it could, based off of the daily chart. So, but near term, I think near term is looking bad, right? Yeah, near term it's about to correct. 4 hours looking like we're about to bounce. So we're going to get some correction, and then we're going to bounce to the upside. Can you do Walmart stock? Shadow just donated $2. Thank you super much. Appreciate it. I'll do, and he says, keep up the content. Well, keep coming with the donations. No, I'm just joking. You don't have to donate. But it's very appreciated. Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. Interesting. Didn't they acquire TikTok with, what was it? So, what was the name of that company? Larry Ellison is the CEO of the company. Hold on, guys. It's called Oracle. That was it. Yeah, Oracle. Square. I mean, Oracle and Walmart, they took over TikTok, right? If you guys could let me know if that actually happened. Walmart, what is Walmart doing? I don't know. It's looking like we are very high in valuation. That's not necessarily a bad sign, but we're very, very high in valuation for Walmart. So if I take a look at the 1 day, look how much we rallied. Oh my god. Okay, that's 2015, right? We tripled in 5 years. That's okay. I would say we are still going up. If you're holding for the next weeks and months, still going up until earnings, then probably correcting downwards. So if I go to the 4 hour, checking that out. Yeah, correcting, and then after that we go up until earnings, and then we go down. Pretty much. So yeah, that was Walmart. I subscribed 3 days ago. AMD, please. Cool. Everybody should subscribe. It should be like a mandatory thing. You subscribe now. Okay. Subscriben macht frei. Subscribe. I should have not said that. That sounds really weird. It's German. Subscribing to my channel makes you free. Germany is actually a language that we learn at school. I had this German teacher. It was pretty ridiculous. I don't want to call him a Nazi, but yeah. That's not good. That is not good. Checking. Have you heard of NAK? No. But yeah, AMD. I would say AMD is trying to bottom out. It's trying to find a bottom. There are some German stocks that I want to cover one day. I subscribed yesterday. Brosi asks, welke opleiding heb je gedaan? Which is Dutch for what did you study? I studied IT at the University of Amsterdam. It was too difficult for me though. So I dropped out of uni. Wait, hold on. I don't want to give you the story of, oh no, it wasn't difficult, but I just didn't like it. No, it's really difficult. Computer science is really difficult. You really need to love computers to do this. I think AMD is very bullish. Don't see any problem with that. I mean, I could have studied IT if I wanted to, but it would have taken away my soul, literally. That's what I'm trying to say. Some people are surprised that I'm Dutch. That's kind of funny. I'm looking at the comments for stock requests. RKT. Everybody's saying RKT. Cool. We'll do RKT. Or Rocket. I think it was Rocket Mortgages or something. Rocket Companies. We predicted the bullish move. That is quite nice. That makes me happy. In the past, I think this was in October, we said that this would be a bullish move. And yeah, we went down a bit. But then we had a very nice rally. So I'm glad that we could predict this. Cool. Very cool. That looks negative. That looks very bearish. Yeah, this is going to go down, guys. Probably. Well, it's not going to go down that much. But probably all the way to the 20 point. No, I think it's going to go down to 19.5, 19.7, and then possibly go up afterwards, depending on some factors. Yeah, it's definitely going to go down. Even the daily is telling me this. So, but is it going to go up long term? That's the question. I actually don't know. Did we have earnings? Yeah, we had earnings. Earnings were bad, apparently, because they dropped massively, like 10%. Oh boy. What could I say about rocket companies? I think it's going to go down and then possibly go up. If the fundamentals are strong, it should be able to go up after the correction. Checking out some stocks. I already did Nvidia, so not going to do that one again. Tesla going up soon. Do you guys want to see a very complicated Tesla analysis? I have a Tesla video on my channel. I'm analyzing Tesla in that video. Uploaded that one an hour ago, so check it out. Zoom. Oh boy. We already did Zoom though. I think Zoom is just going... Zoom is just done. It's just done. I want to look at Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat, it crashed so massively. Yeah, I bought Beyond Meat right there and I sold it right there. It was kind of funny. We did this on a live stream. So I think we're gonna go down. This is not good. Beyond Meat is looking... we missed earnings with... Beyond Meat missed earnings, so that's why it's going down so much. I'm checking your stock requests. Guys, I want to say one more thing. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, you'll be getting a shout out from me. Links are in the description. I'll be uploading short videos on the Instagram and the TikTok, so make sure you follow me there. Gonna go back to the SPY. I think, are the after hours intact right now? Gonna briefly take a look at the SPY. The S&P 500, I mean. It's going down. It's just a tiny amount, though. Canadian Solar, SBE, Delta, Apple. I already did Apple, though. Come on, guys. Give me a stock that I haven't done. I've done, like, a lot of stocks. Fiverr. Yeah, McDonald's is making a new burger, which is very bad for Beyond Meat because they had a contract and, well, it's not going to go through anymore. I said we would bounce for Fiverr, and then we had the vaccine news, which was very bearish. So we could have not predicted this because the vaccine news was kind of random. Fiverr is looking like a fantastic buy. Fantastic. Check the daily. Yep, it's looking pretty great. Honestly, it's looking pretty great. I would not get a lot because we could still go down a little bit further. But Fiverr, honestly, is a great stock. But it's just been rising too fast. But what is the market cap? 4.7 billion. Is Fiverr worth that amount? I think so. I think Fiverr is a great platform. I think Fiverr is a great... Yeah, I mean, this should be just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This is going to go up just like that. Pretty exponential. Checking your stocks. Oh, I think people follow me on Instagram now. Cesar, thank you for following me on Instagram, man. Appreciate it. Oh boy, like also people are starting to follow me now. I want to go back to Tesla a little bit. Solonik, thanks for following, man, on Instagram. Fleur Set Dreams is following me now. Thank you so much. I'll be uploading videos on the Instagram very soon. I want to look at Tesla real quick. And who? Okay, cool. I think I had everybody. Cool. I want to look at the MACD real quickly. This is quite important. Oh no. Really? Are you kidding me? No freaking way. Well, okay, so I did not expect this. This could... Oh no. This alone this alone could be really bad news. We crossed on the daily bearishly. This is stock manipulation. Like, honestly, look how we just. This is not. Are you kidding me? So the bearishness is not done yet, possibly. No, that. Every time we crossed, we had a bearish turn. We crossed there, we had bearishness again. We had a cross there, we had bearishness. Cross, oh my god, this is going to be awful. No friggin' way. Oh, this is just, this is problematic. What is Tesla doing right now? What is Tesla doing? It's not going down. Okay, cool. Alright, so that's, how did I not notice this? This little bearish candle, guys. I don't know if you guys are still watching. Checking the live stream. Somebody has been telling me since the morning. I overlooked this. Look how tiny that candle. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I did not see this. There we go. But if we zoom in, we can see it. This is a bearish candle for today. So we crossed. This could potentially come back down, which would look like, oh no. Oh no. This is gonna be awful. I'm gonna have to make a new video. I wanna cry, honestly. No freaking way. Wait, can we just go back? Wait. There we go. I'm gonna draw what could happen, what the consequences could be of this little mistake that we made, or that I made. I bought a lot at 398, but that might not be the bottom if this is true. But I'm gonna have to see. Maybe I'm wrong. No freaking way did we cross. And it's just a tiny bearish bar on the MACD. I can't believe it. You're fired. That's funny. That cracks me up, honestly, guys. You guys are awesome. If I could get the MACD properly. All right, so it's not necessarily gonna happen, right? It's just whenever we cross to the downside on the MACD, we usually have a big correction, a very big correction, and it happened again right around there. And we didn't see it happen because my line was covering it. Or something was covering it. I didn't see, but it looks like we're having a little bit of bearishness there. And last time we had a similar pattern that was right there. Right there. You see this? The bearishness was about to stop. The bearishness was about to stop, and then we had a bearish candle, which meant that we were about to go positive right there. And then we gapped down. See that? We gapped down all the way. How much was this? 452. Oh boy. Okay, so this is not going to happen. I mean, I don't think it's going to happen, but there is a slight possibility. I'm just going to give you reality right now. There is a slight chance that this will come back down all the way to this level. Oh my god. No way. No way. This is not gonna happen. This is not gonna happen. How would this happen? No, this is not gonna happen. Sorry guys, I'm having a tough time. It's cool artwork though, yeah. No. It's not gonna happen. I think if the markets drop, if the Nasdaq keeps dropping, if there's more bad news, if Elon Musk tweets something bad, yeah, okay, sure, we're gonna correct all the way down. We're gonna have a bearish channel, which would look a little bit like this. Let me just check it out. I think we're gonna use this bottom. Let's just assume that this goes. We see a bounce and we go down all the way to 360, and then at this point, so the bearishness would have stopped, we will go up rapidly. This is what the current status of the MACD is trying to tell me. This is very sloppy, I know. I'm just trying to give you the picture. So we do bounce to 415 approximately, but then we come back down because of this bearishness that we see right here. This little bearish candle, because we crossed on the MACD, which is incredibly negative, could result into a crash to 360 to approximately 350. I don't think this will happen. Because of the MACD crossing negative, the possibility of it happens, that it happens, is opening up. So if we didn't have this, it wouldn't happen. But now we see that there is a sign that this could happen. So there is a probability now that it could happen, which is frightening, honestly. Something like this could happen. So 360, 370. But what is most likely is, this is looking very, very nasty, not nice. No, I just doubt it. I'm not gonna take this seriously. I won't take this seriously. I'm not gonna go be fearful because of some crossing on the MACD to the downside. I mean, we've seen so much negativity. We also have to take that into account. This is 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, 4 cycle. This is one big bearish cycle, one little tiny positive cycle, and then another big bearish cycle. I think this is not going to happen. No way. This is going to probably be just a small blip of negativity, and then we're just still going to be bullish. I doubt it. It's frightening because it's like I'm holding like a lot of Tesla shares, okay? and it's also a lot of people are holding Tesla shares, a lot of retail traders. It would be very bad. It would be a bloodbath if that would happen. I don't think it's going to happen. Hold on. I'm back. Okay, cool. So, I am leveraged. 5 times leverage. So if it would go down 10%, that would mean for me that would be 50%. That's not good. Whew. But I would say I'm not worrying about that. 30 minutes looking bullish. 1 hour is looking bullish. 4 hours about to turn bullish. So I'm not worrying about this going down significantly. I hope you're right. I invested my life savings into this. Well, that's not very smart to listen to some dude on YouTube when it comes to investing all your life savings. I would not do that. I would just listen to the guidance and just try to form an opinion. But obviously it's a joke, so I don't know. I think this is a nice little bottom. It's gonna gap upwards, and then we'll just run bullishly. Pretty much. All right. There are 240 people watching me right now. I would just like to briefly introduce myself. My name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. And what I try to do, I try to pretty much analyze stocks that you guys like, your favorite stocks, on live stream. And I have videos where I'm talking about your favorite stocks and try to use and apply technical analysis, which it's not super hard. Anyone can learn it with practice, like just a couple years of practice every day, and you'll be a master at it. You just have to be consistent. The S&P 500 is coming down a bit. What the frick? On the 4 hours. But yeah, these live streams are gonna be free. They're gonna stay free. Why would they not be, right? I only ask for a quick thumbs up and a subscribe to the channel. We want to hit 7,000 subscribers in the next days. It's gonna probably take a week or 2 or 3. I don't know, but it would be awesome. We're growing super fast. It's too fast to keep up with, honestly. Nvidia. I already did Nvidia. If we take a look at Nvidia, just right here. Yeah, so I think it's gonna go up. Yeah, all I gotta say right now. Neo. I didn't do Neo yet. I did not do Neo yet. Okay, I think we're gonna go bullish for Neo until $50. That's all I gotta say for Neo. All I gotta say. Neo's gonna be very bullish till $50. Pinterest. Pinterest is looking. Hey, it looks similar. Wow, Pinterest went up huge. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's looking like we're in no man's land. Oh, never mind. We're forming a bottom on Pinterest. Something like this. Hold on. That's not good. Something like this. For Pinterest. BYND. Wait, BYND is the company that owns Lucid. Oh, never mind. That was BYD. I already did Beyond. Beyond is looking very negative. Hold on, guys. I think people followed me on Instagram. Oh gosh, lots of people are following me. I said that if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you'll get a shout out. So if you do that right now, you'll get a shout out. Check it out. It's in the description. So thank you, Gagalari. Thank you, Eroxo and Brendan Magic, Oni Bailey, and Taiwan Bear. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for following me on Instagram. Okay, so I want to check BYD. I think I can find it right now. Yeah, there we go. BYD. I think, was BYD the one with Lucid? I don't know. I don't think it's this one, is it? Yeah, this should be the electric vehicle company, BYD. It's about to come down, though, so not very interesting here. Back to Tesla. Oh boy, am I getting people following me on Instagram? I'm gonna have to check. Oh gosh. Ibrahim Kidwise following me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Guys, give me some good stocks. I've done pretty much almost every single stock that I'm seeing right now. George Banda, thank you for following me on Instagram. Appreciate it. I need some good stocks. Oh my gosh. Steven, Brian, and Ramat, and Tesla Gigabully, thanks for following me on Twitter. Okay, I'm going to stop doing this. This is going to take too much time. Okay, so I'm looking at the stocks that you guys are sending me. AT&T, Alibaba, Palantir, GMIA, Corsair, Shopify, Palantir. Shopify. I like Shopify. I want to see some Shopify. Shopify, Spotify. What is happening to this stock? We were completely wrong. We were wrong about this stock because of the COVID vaccine. The fundamentals changed the technicals. So if it wasn't for the COVID vaccine, Shopify would have done great. But you can see right here, COVID vaccine hits and we go plummeting down. Plummeting down all the way. I think we might bottom very soon. Something like yeah, something like that, you know. Bottoming right there, and then we go. So we were gonna go up until February. Well, not February necessarily, but just upwards, potentially. McDonald's. Palantir. Plug. Okay, Virgin Galactic. Right. I want to do Virgin Galactic right now. I like that company. I thought it would be bullish. I think I even drew it. Did I literally predict it? Oh my gosh. I'm a legend. Look at that. This was something I drew back in at the 5th of November. We said, hey, we're going to go up significantly to like 21.28. Look how precise. Look how precise we predicted this. Damn. That's crazy. I'm getting afraid of... Wow, okay. Wow. We also predicted the downwards move. I think I've done this in a other live stream. It's still looking bullish to me. I would just... Yeah, it's still looking bullish, so... And then we'd come back down. Alright, guys. I'm going to just go to the S&P 500 real quick. I want to check something. What is happening here? I want to know if this S&P is going to go... Oh my god. This is not good. S&P is about to go down. Oh, did we predict this? Yeah, the 4 hours is telling us it is bearish, but the 30 minutes is bullish. But usually, when it comes to like the coming days, the 4 hours has the overhand. It's like dominating, so... check the 3 hours. 3 hours is bearish. 4 hours is bearish. 2 hours is starting to be bearish. 1 hour is getting pretty good. So there's going to be a pop, and then we're coming back down, and then we go up. I don't know how low it's going to go. I think it would go to... Oh my god, that's really bearish. That's really, really bearish. What's the 1 day doing? That is really bearish. Oh god. I'm gonna short the S&P 500, I think. The thing is, it's still gonna go up. It's just the 4 hours is very bearish. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, right? We are going to see a pump to the upside. Look at that. The 30 minutes It's bullish. It's the coming days are going to be bullish. I'm not switching anything up. It's just it takes a while before we go bearish. So yeah, basically what's going to happen is we're going to have a couple bullish days, and then we're going to correct massively, probably by Friday or by the end of the day on Friday, or I would say Monday. So next week could be a bit bearish, but then after that we're going to look at a pretty nice couple days. I think the reason for that correction is because of this huge move to the upside, most probably. But I would get out. I'm gonna get out of the market in like I think Thursday, probably Thursday or Friday. So the 12th or the 13th, we're gonna start going down. I don't want to be in the market at that time. It's not over yet. The sell-off is not over yet because the 4 hours, I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain to you properly what's happening. Oh, I can't extend it. Yeah, we're also almost overvalued on the RSI. I'm crazy? Well, I'm crazy then. Call me crazy. I think the RSI is going to go to the overbought and then come back down. And then go up again. That makes a lot of sense, actually. I drew it incorrectly, but if we do it again, up, oh, there we go, up again, come back down, and then we go up again. So this would be bearish and then bullish in terms of the cycle, right? Just imagine that this is the cycle. These are cycles. Bullish cycle, bearish cycle, bullish cycle. So this could mean that bearishness starts around Thursday to Friday, and then it keeps going bearish until approximately, I would say, 14, 15, Wednesday next week. Okay, I just wanted to say that this is going to be very interesting. Very, very volatile week coming next week. But yeah, long term, it's not going to affect us. It's just the short term traders are going to have a tough time. You're either going to have a very tough time because you're holding stuff and you can't sell, or you're going to have the most amazing time ever because you're going to enjoy that volatility. And traders live off of volatility. Oh, you can get the MACD and the RSI by clicking indicators and then searching MACD. Right? So the QQQ, the Nasdaq, I think the Nasdaq is looking a little different to. I think the Nasdaq is right now flipped opposite to the S&P. So while the S&P goes down, potentially the Nasdaq is going to be going up. I'm not sure about this yet. I'm going to check the chart. So the Nasdaq is looking bullish, but the daily is still looking bearish. So this would mean that we have a couple bullish days and then go bearish for a couple days. So like we drew right here. So yeah, this is kind of correct. We're going to have some really bullish days. Bullish and then bearish. So we go bullish, bearish, bullish and bearish on the bearish and bullish cycles. So there's just going to be we're going to have some upside and then we're going to come back down. I don't think the correction is done yet. So that's what I'm trying to say. Tesla's falling? No way. Oh gosh, it's falling. Oh damn. It's okay. I want to take a look at Tesla. I mean, it should be going up, right? It's crossing bullishly. This could be a proper bullish run to the 420s, 430s from there. I think this could very well go to the 438 tomorrow and after tomorrow. I mean, look at the RSI. RSI has some room to go. And I would say... And then we'll see a correction. So until Thursday, we're going to be bullish on Tesla, I believe. And then the S&P comes down, Nasdaq possibly coming down, etc. Let's keep on going to the edge and then something like that. I don't know. Probably goes down a bit and then we go up. And we did this in the video. We literally said this would happen, right? Nothing new happening here. Hit the edge of the wedge, come back, and then we go up. Right, this is nothing new. Oh, yeah, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna be stopping the live stream. I'm gonna have to record some videos for you guys, so I'll have to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, guys. It would be awesome. If you want, you can comment down. You can comment down which videos you want to see in the future, or which stocks you want me to review. You can comment down on the video, and I'll look at it and I'll consider some stocks that I might review in the future. But I really appreciated this, guys. If you want to see more live streams, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You'll be notified for the next live streams coming up. I have a live stream every single day, so make sure you are subscribed. On top of that, check out the social media. Links are in the description. If you want to support the channel, you can do this through Patreon. If you want a one-on-one counseling session, you can do that on Patreon, and you get early access to the videos and buy and sell signals. That is all available on the Patreon. On top of that, if you want to join the Discord server, the Discord community, you can do this by clicking the link in the description. All the links, obviously, in the description, guys. I hope you have a very, very nice day, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Lucid Trading out, and